Right now, simple diffusion is occurring in the cell. Simple diffusion is when a molecule simply diffuses through the plasma membrane without the aid of a protein. In this case, the molecule being transported is oxygen. Oxygen is a nonpolar molecule, so it easily moves through the plasma membrane until equilibrium is achieved. Simple diffusion is a type of passive transport, which means that there is no ATP being used during this process. Simple diffusion with oxygen in the cell is important because it is needed for cellular respiration. Now facilitated diffusion is occurring in the cell. The type of facilitated diffusion is called osmosis, which means water is going through an aquaporin protein. Osmosis is a type of passive transport as well and only occurs with water. Osmosis also occurs from a high to low concentration gradient. Water can undergo simple diffusion, but since water travels in large quantities, it needs the aid of a protein to get through the plasma membrane. The water molecules move through the center of the aquaporin because the water molecules are polar. The amino acids on the insides of the aquaporin are also polar, and they are attracted to water since likes. Osmosis is crucial in the cell because it keeps water levels balanced in the cell. In the cell, a type of active transport is occurring now, and it is called a sodium-potassium pump. A sodium-potassium pump moves sodium and potassium ions through a special type of protein. The protein pumps 3 sodium ions out of the cell for every 2 potassium ions. Both ions move from a low to high concentration gradient. This is a type of active transport because ATP is being used to pump the ions through the proteins. In this case, the high concentration for sodium is on the outside of the cell, and the high concentration for the potassium is on the inside of the cell. The sodium-potassium pump is important because it keeps the necessary gradient of ions inside and outside the cell.